Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. In today's video, I would like us to make these bags together. Okay, so I want to make some gift bags, so graduation bags. Let's make the bags together. All right, so this is tapeter material. Okay, so I'm using a tapeter material, hash color material, and then this is a handle, webbing strap, like Oyibo people call it, while here we call it belt, right? 1-inch belt. So let's get into the detail of the video. The first thing you have to do is you fold some inside like this. Alright, you cut your belt into your desired what you want it to be. Okay, so you ensure that the distance between this side is the same thing as this side. Okay, alright, to enable balance, so that it will be balanced. So measure, please. Make sure that the distances are the same. So the next thing you do is you top stitch it the second time, bringing out the hand this way. Alright, if you have been contemplating where to get this material, okay, so we have them available. We sell materials here at Tarron Innovative World. All you need to do is chat me up on WhatsApp 080-365-88365. Alright, so if you want to get your material, in case you don't have it in your location, we sell leather materials, cartoon characters, different types of materials. So anything you want, just let us know. 080-365-88365. If you're outside Nigeria, you can add +234. All right, so I'm going to be placing my the picture like this. Some people call it sticker, right? So you make sure that this side is the same thing as this side. All right, so make sure they are equal. Yes, to enable balance. To enroll for our bag making course on Telegram, where we have pre-recorded videos, you can chat me up on WhatsApp 080-365-88365. So alright, the next thing is I'm going to be fixing the side. Okay, so we teach you how to cut, how to make bags, different types of bags, apart from the ones apart from this many other bag tutorials we have on YouTube. Here we have special ones for our students. All right, so you can buy one of our courses and it's very affordable. Let's chat on WhatsApp. If you want more money in life, get more knowledge. Yes, there are free videos available, but the truth is you need a one-on-one tutorial, one-on-one coaching by somebody that is already in the field, so that you will not just be doing it for doing sake. So let's us hold you by the hand here at Tarron Innovative World in our bag making class. Okay, so the videos are pre-recorded, but then you have access to me one-on-one on WhatsApp. And the good thing about our Telegram classes is that we still have a WhatsApp group whereby you can always send your questions All right, you can channel your question. There are other back professionals, people that have learned and are already professional in it. They can always assist you even if I am not available. So you may be asking, is bag making a lucrative business? Will I get money in it? The answer, I would like you to answer the question yourself by the time you become successful in it. Alright guys, so this is what we have here. So you can see, so beautiful and neat, and thank you so much. If you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. Alright guys, so thank you so much. We are doing a lot of things here. We have a lot of things, a lot of tutorials on this channel. Alright, share this channel with friends, like the video, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to join this wonderful community. Alright guys, so thank you so much. If you have any question, suggestion, you can suggest in the comment section. Alright guys, and then let your comment be positive. No negative comments are allowed here. Thank you so much. Bye.